All right, so today we have oil change on a 2008 Ford Mustang. First, you're gonna need your socket. So I have socket right here. You're gonna need your oil wrench because it's high up. And underneath here, I have my oil pan. And then you're gonna need your oil filter. I got this from AutoZone. And of course your jacks, your jack and your jack stand. Right now. So right here we have the oil plug. I've already changed it. Man, always get a new oil plug. They sell them at AutoZone pretty cheap. And just, you put it on here, lefty-loosey, until you can take it off with your hand. And when you put it back on, you have to tighten it up and then put this on there so you can actually get it in. And my oil pan's right here. You put it right here, let it drip. Once it's done, just put that back in, replace it, clean it, make sure you have no leaks. And then, the jack stands up here again, very safe. So right here, so here's the oil pan. Oil filter is right here. Remember, lefty-loosey, and then we're gonna put this under here. So I'm gonna put the phone down to drain it. Alrighty, so I've gotten it loose enough. It is up here, so it's a little harder to get off. So lefty-loosey, remember that. And righty-tighty. It's coming off. A little oil is gonna come out, of course. Alrighty. This one's way better than my other cars. The oil would definitely be seeping out, but alrighty, draining. And then always remember when you put your new one on, your new filter, always oil up the tips. We're doing that in a second. So this is the oil filter that you're gonna need for your 2008 4-liter 6-cylinder Mustang. 5W30 right here. Take the seal off. Ready? Good. Put a little dash engine oil in here. Take some. Put it around the seal so it doesn't get stuck when you're trying to take it off, Very smart to do. So I have had it stick on before. It's very annoying to take off. Alrighty, we're gonna put it on. So righty-tighty. Find the hole. Alright. You see, this is a better angle to put your hand through than this one right next to the oil pan. Just screwing it in now. Screw it in. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Get it real nice and snug. You don't want any oil leaking out. My favorite part. It also tells you the oil type on the cap usually. This car does it. I love it. Take it off. This is my favorite part. Alright. Favorite part. Time to put the oil in the car. Make sure your filter is clean because that is what actually goes inside your engine. If you put water on it to clean it, wipe it. Water in the engine is not good. Now, you pour. Get back under here. Make sure nothing's leaking. So you don't want to be driving with oil leaking. Looks good. Looks good right now. Filter looks good too. Back up here. Alright. That's it. How to do your oil change. Pour it right back into the engine oil container. This one is for Kia Forte.